Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I will show you how to use this website dmonday.com for construction. So whether you are managing contractors, tracking budgets, or scheduling tasks, this website helps streamline your workflow. So of course, the first thing you need to do here is to go to their website, which is dmonday.com. And then of course, sign up or log in. And if you are new, you can start with a free trial, and then once inside, you will see the dashboard. So here, this is the main dashboard of the monday.com. So here guys, you can choose a template here. So choosing a construction CRM template. So the monday.com offers pre-built templates, so specifically for construction management. So to find one, you just need to click on the add workspace, and then there you can choose from templates. So you can see here, so this one. So you can search for construction CRM or project management for construction. So here, just need to search on the search field. So of course guys, right after that one is you just need to select a template that best suits your needs, and right after that one, you just need to use the template. So tap on the click use template there. So this will give you a pre-structured board with columns for projects, clients, budgets, and schedules. So as you can see here, this is your construction schedule. So keep your construction projects on track with a schedule template. So you can use that one, so by tapping on the blue button here. So as you can see here, you just need to tap on that one. So on customizing your CRM board, so now let's customize your board to match your workflow. So you can edit here your project name and the client. So here you can track multiple projects in one place. So of course guys, if you have your monday.com, you need to have your upgrade your plan, because the free plan board is only for free trial, and once your free trial ends, you need to avail their plan. So let's go back to your customizing your CRM board. So you can edit the project name and client, the status column, so which is to update the progress, and then the budget expenses, so keep financials in check, and then task assignment, so assign roles to contractors and team members. So they also have their deadlines and calendar view. You can set milestone and avoid delays. So to edit the column guys, you just need to simply click on it and choose from text, numbers, drop downs, or formulas. So here I'm gonna avail, I think, this one. So, and of course guys, it will be depending on you on what plan you want to. Don't worry guys, they have their features here, so you can compare it, and that's it. So on adding tasks and tracking progress on this website guys, to add new tasks or construction phases, you just need to click their add item button and enter a task name. For example, foundation work. That's it. And you can assign a team member and set a due date, change the task status to reflect its progress, attach important documents like blueprints or permits. So you can also have their budget management and cost tracking, and then their team collaboration and file sharing guys. So this is very important. So effective collaboration is key in construction projects. So with monday.com, you can assign tasks and set priorities for team members. Use the update section to share progress notes and images. So you can also automate tasks and reminders. So you just need to go to the automations in the top menu. And then here you can also integrate this website with the other tools, just like the Google Drive, the Autodesk, or the Zapier. And that's it guys. Yeah, now you know how to use monday.com for CRM construction.